It's important to give the warfighters what we call that overmatch. We're not interested in a fair fight. I would have killed to have flown with this type of technology back in the day, but now the young pilots are going to be blessed with just incredible technology. We didn't know any different at the time. I didn't use a helmet-mounted display system until actually I retired from the Air Force and was an AT-6 demonstration pilot. And then we had the monocle device, all monochrome, not color, not binocular. The helmet didn't change, so we didn't get to take advantage of that lightweight, perfectly balanced center of gravity. And the other thing is with this digital night vision camera that the Zero-G sports, you don't have that great moment arm in front of your noggin that you just can't wait to get those things off. And if you get into an ejection situation, the last thing you're thinking about is, oh, I've got to remove my goggles and I've got to put my visor down. Well, you don't have to think about that in the Zero-G. Your visor, which is photochromic, is always down, and your digital night vision is up top, embedded in the helmet. This is truly revolutionary. I'm Russ Rudder Smith, and I have the privilege of working with the Collins Elbit team on the revolutionary Zero-G helmet-mounted display system.